All right, so that was my vanilla gelling pudding mix and an 8-ounce block of cream cheese. I'm gonna take my electric mixer and I'm just gonna go ahead and beat this. Let me turn it on. And we're gonna beat this until it's nice and smooth. This is gonna be a really yummy, no-bake summer dessert. Who wants to turn their oven on in the summer? I definitely don't. So this is why I love no-bake desserts. This is definitely gonna be a go-to in your kitchen this summer. So just blend that up. Looks a little crumbly right now, but that's okay, because we're gonna add some really creamy ingredients in just a second here. Go ahead and add in our next ingredient, which is going to be some milk. We're gonna add 24 ounces of milk today. So I'm just gonna eyeball this. I'm gonna add almost the whole thing. All right, just a little more. Perfect. Now we're gonna go ahead and take this back in and blend it all up. All right, that's looking nice and thick and creamy, just how I want it. And it smells delicious. Let's turn that off. And now we're gonna bring in our special ingredient, Cool Whip. We have the 16-ounce Cool Whip today. We're just going to put about 3/4 of this container in here. We're going to reserve about half a cup for something really fun that we're gonna do later. All right, let's get that all in there. Ooh, I love Cool Whip, especially on a hot summer day. Get that little bit here. And let's take back our mixer and mix this all together. Ooh, look at that. That is looking so smooth already. I can't wait to show you guys what I'm gonna add next. This is gonna be so fresh and delicious. Your whole family is gonna love this. It's gonna be perfect for a potluck, for a baby shower, summer barbecue. It'll be the perfect dessert. I'm telling you guys right now, you're not gonna wanna miss this, and you are really gonna have to give this a try because it's absolutely scrumptious. Oh my God, that is coming together so nicely. Make sure you don't have your mixer on too high or your Cool Whip will deflate. So let's turn that down just a little bit. We're almost done here. Ooh, yes. Ooh, yummy in my tummy. All right, guys, I think that is looking perfectly mixed. Let's turn this off. And we're gonna slide this baby over and bring in our 9x13 Pyrex dish. And this is why we reserved a little bit of this Cool Whip here so that we can cover this bottom layer just lightly. You don't need that much here because we're gonna put something nice and fun on top. All right, that looks really nice and spread out evenly across the bottom of our pan. Next, we're gonna go ahead and take something that always reminds me of summer, graham crackers. Pull these babies out. We're going to put about 7 as a bottom layer here. So stack them like this. We're gonna put 5 vertically or horizontally, whatever this is. I'm not really sure, but you guys probably know and you'll probably tell me in the comments. So let's go ahead and put this just like this. Try to get it nice and pretty looking. You don't want too many gaps here. And then we're just gonna put 2 more, just like that. Sorry guys, I got allergies today. I know y'all get allergies too. I know I'm not the only one. So everybody with allergies, I'm praying for you. All right, let's go ahead and take back this mixture that we made with our Cool Whip and cream cheese and vanilla pudding. And we're just going to lather this across our graham crackers and Cool Whip. Let me see if that's enough. Just to smooth a nice layer over the top of these graham crackers. Yeah, that's looking nice. We might need a little more, but let's see. I think this might be good. Ooh, look at that. It's okay if you have little lumpies in there because we're gonna put this in the fridge and it will be nice and softened. It's just gonna soak into those graham crackers and just be beautiful, you guys. All right, we got some strawberries that I went ahead and cut up. For this layer, we don't have to be that precise with our placement, but for our top layer, we do want to make it look pretty. We have some blueberries. So of strawberries, you're going to add about 3 cups altogether, and then of your blueberries, you'll just have 2 of these like 6-ounce packages. Okay, that looks good to me. Now we're gonna take back in our graham crackers, and we're just going to do the same exact thing. Just layer them on top, just like we did before. Try to smush them down onto our berries and our mixture. Oh man, this is really going to be amazing. I cannot wait to try this, and I'm so excited for you guys to try it too. This is just the best summer dessert. This is actually called an icebox cake. I'm sure you guys already know that because you guys are smart and you're always telling me the business in the comments. So let's bring back our mixture of the cream cheese and the Cool Whip and the pudding. Do the same thing. Lather that baby on there, just like this. All right, I think we just made the perfect amount of mixture here. Let's go ahead and just do that same process. And then you're just gonna repeat this one more time, you guys. So quick, so easy, and so delicious. Ooh, this is really coming together, you guys. Let's bring back in these strawberries. Do another layer, just be graceful. And bring back in our blueberries. Again, be graceful, you know, don't be crazy with it, but you don't need to be too precise yet. I'm gonna put more blueberries on this layer because I think they need a little more. And then we're going to take some more graham crackers. All right, just repeat that same process. Take them out of there like that, yeah. All right, stack that. Same way we did before, out a little more, but it's gonna be okay because this is all going in the same place, you guys. Bring back our mixture once again. Make sure we get that all out of there, don't wanna waste. All righty, now let's make sure we get a nice thick layer on top of these graham crackers. All right, you guys, that looks so beautiful. Look at this. All right, now we're gonna take back in our strawberries, and this is where we are going to be precise, okay? So we're just gonna go ahead and put these like prettily, if that's a word, put them prettily on top of your cream cheese, vanilla pudding, milk, Cool Whip mixture. Let's take our blueberries, berry fresh blueberries, okay? And then just bloop, bloop. These blueberries are small. If you have big blueberries, good for you, because that's just gonna be perfect with this. But this is perfect too, and I know I say perfect a lot, but I love saying perfect because practice makes perfect. This in your refrigerator for about 4 hours or overnight. OMG, you guys, look at this beautiful creation we have created together. All right, look at what we're adding next. White morsels, other known as chocolate chips. And I have them already melted. Just follow the directions on the bag. And we're just going to drizzle this over the top. And it's gonna harden and it's gonna look really pretty, you guys. I'm just gonna go back and forth, nice and slow, just like this. Ooh, yes. I think that's enough. Yep, that looks great to me. All right, it's time to dig into this, you guys. Let me go ahead and cut myself a slice. Oh yeah, those graham crackers. Oh yeah, baby, they hardened up. I mean, they softened up and absorbed all of that moisture. That's what I'm talking about. And then I got my cute little, you know, United States patriotic plate, And I'm gonna cut myself this nice, oh, that came right out. Look at this. Oh yeah. Oh my God, I'm so excited. Ah! Okay, you ready guys? Get myself a nice bite with everything on it. Oh my God. This is so good. Oh my gosh. Try it.